What's up, it's Al. Hello. And you know what this is? This is a crab. See it? Look at it. Look at him. Look at him. He's like, hey, look at me, I'm a crab. Well, she's a crab. That's how you know it's a girl. Alright. Now I'm going to show you one more time how to clean these. But hopefully I put something on the table so it won't make all that noise. And I'm going to try to enunciate better. Okay, so the first thing you do is right here where you see that she has a little point right there. That point. You grab it. You pull it off. Right? And you see that bare side right there? That's how you know you're doing it right. Then you grab her little fins and you just pull straight up. Oh, sometimes that works. That time it didn't, so I'm going to finish it by pulling up on the spines on the side. And then on this side. There we go. Now you see the inside? And then it's got the little tail attached to it. It's going to go over here. It's going to go over there. And then you see the insides. Disgusted. So, you don't really want to worry about the insides yet, but you do want to worry about the lungs, the gills right here. That's how they breathe so long underwater. Boop. 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 Now see those orange things in there? Those could be eggs. I don't know. But as long as they're not in this area here, you can take her. And you can eat her. But if she has eggs down here, you can't take her. Alright, so I just peeled off her little pinchers. Well, not her pinchers, but her teeth. Now for that goo, I'm going to get the rest of that lung off of there. You don't want that on there when you cook it. I don't know if it'll make it taste any better or worse. I just don't think it should be on there. And you squirt her out. See what I'm doing? Squirting right in the middle. Okay. I'm going to get as much of that stuff out of there as you can. And then she's ready for a boil. I'm going to show you one more time. One more time. I'm going to move this out of the way. This is where I'm going to put my crabs in. Get in there, crab. Get in there, crab. I've already done 3. Look at this big boy. A lot of meat on this big boy. A lot of meat. Look at that. Now, if you got any bigger than this, oh, it would have its own zip code. This mug was huge. It's a girl, I believe. No, it's a boy. And you can tell it's a boy because instead of having that round thing, it has the, I guess you'd say it kind of looks like a penis. I mean, what do you think? You be the judge. Alright, so we're going to start right here. Hopefully getting in there. Pulling this back. Alright, you see that right there? And then I grab him on the side here by his little spine. You see how long his spines are? Grab him by his spine and his flipper. Ah, and I pull him up. You see that? That's what his inside of his skull looks like. That's his brains. He's like, I see you looking at me getting murdered. Alright, anyway, he's not murdered. Well, he is. But we're going to eat him, so it makes it okay. You know, like when the aliens abduct us. They're just doing it for research. They're not trying to hurt us. Alright, so here's the lungs, the gills. Pull those mugs off. Pull that mug off. Pull that mug off. Pull that mug off. Now, tomorrow I'm going to go back out. Me and my wife are. We're going to try to come back early enough to do cooking. So now I squirt the inside out. Sorry if you can't see that. I just don't want to ruin my phone trying to make a cheap ass video for you guys. I don't have no GoPro. I have a Samsung S22. Alright. Now that bad boy is all cleaned out. Some big old claws. He's ready to go into the bag and to get burled. You don't need more than, like, if there's 2 people, you don't need more than like 2 or 3 crabs each. So don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. But you're going to put corn in there. You're going to put so much stuff in there. The crabs are definitely the highlight, but they're not the main part. Okay, they're just the cool part. Let's see if I got one more. So I can go ahead and do this. I do. It's a little lady. Little lady. See how long her tabs are? She is almost 6 inches, right? So if they're 5 inches, you can keep them in Mississippi. And when I caught her, I was like, I'm gonna invite you to a crab boil. And she was like, I'd be delighted to come. Let me go grab some of my friends. Pulling off the tail. Popping the top. There's the top of the brain. Pulling off the lungs. I know you can't see everything I'm doing. I'm sorry. Popping her old buck teeth out. And squirting her up. She's cleanish. Alright. These guys are invited to a crab burrow.